Hi, welcome to steptomaths. In previous section, we discussed how to solve a quadratic equation using factorization method. Consider the example x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. How we can solve this equation? Is it possible to factorize it? That is, two numbers whose product is 5 and sum is 2. No. We can't apply the factorization on this quadratic equation. Then how we can solve? For that, today we are going to learn a new method, that is completing the square. Solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Completing the square is a method used to solve a quadratic equation by changing the form of the quadratic equation as the left side of the quadratic equation is converted into form of a perfect square. We can convert any quadratic equation in the form x plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. We can convert any quadratic equation in the form x plus a whole square minus b square is equal to 0. This is in the form of a complete square. So we can easily find out its root. I will explain it with this question, then it becomes clear. X square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here the equation in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then to convert this in the form of a complete square, our first step is transform the constant part to right side, that is x square plus bx is equal to minus c. C is the constant part, so transform it to the right side. And our next step is change the left part to in the form of a square, complete square. For that, our next step is add the half value of the coefficient of x time. Coefficient of x time is b. Its half value is b by 2. And take its square, that is b by 2 square. Square of the half value of the coefficient of x time, that is b by 2 square. This b by 2 square is add on both sides of this equation. Then its value is not changed. That is, this equation become x square plus bx plus, at this value, b by 2 square is equal to, on right side, minus c plus b by 2 square. X square plus bx plus b by 2 square. This we can write x plus b by 2 the whole square. If we expand this using the identity a plus b the whole square, we get x square plus bx plus b by 2 square. The left side, the right side is same, minus c plus b by 2 square. Now the left side is in the form of a perfect square. Then we can find its root easily. Okay. Then move to this question. Apply this method. X square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. First step is transform the constant part to right side. That is x square plus 2x is equal to 5. Next, take the square of half value of the coefficient of x time. Coefficient of x time is 2. Its half value 2 by 2 is 1. Its square is 1. That is this b by 2 square is 1. So we add this on both sides of equation. X square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. How we can represent in the square form? X plus 1 square. X plus 1 square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 6. Now we get the left side in the form of a perfect square. So take the root on both sides. X plus 1 square root of x plus 1 square equal to x plus 1. Root of 6 is equal to, root of 6 is equal to plus or minus root 6. Root of x plus 1 square is x plus 1 and root of 6 means plus or minus root 6. If we take root of this value, we get plus or minus. So we can write, if we take the root, x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 6. Then the value of x is equal to plus root 6 minus 1 and x is equal to, take minus root 6 minus 1. So the root of this quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 is plus root 6 minus 1 and minus root 6 minus 1. This is the method of completing the square. Change the left side of the given equation in form of a perfect square and find the root. Change the left side to a perfect square. We first transform the constant part to right side and then add the half value of the coefficient of x, that is here b by 2 and its square b by 2 square. Add that value on both sides. Then the left side is in the form of a square. X plus 1 square, that is x plus b by 2 square. Then take the root. Consider this question. x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Product minus 20 and sum plus 1. We can also apply factorization here. But if we follow the completing square method, then how we can perform that method? First, transform the constant part to right side. That is x square plus x is equal to 20. Minus 20 is on right side, plus 20. Now the square of half value of the coefficient of x term. Here the x term, that is b, is 1. Its half value is 1 by 2 and its square 1 by 4. Here b equal to 1, its half value is 1 by 2 and its square, b by 2 square, equal to 1 by 4. So add that value on both sides of this equation. Then this equation become x square plus x plus 1 by 4 equal to 20 plus 1 by 4. X square plus x plus 1 by 4. Then how we can represent the form of a perfect square? X plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 square is x square plus x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 20 plus 1 by 4 is 81 by 4. Then take the root on both sides. X plus 1 by 2 square, its root is x plus 1 by 2. Root of 81 by 4, 9 by 2, plus or minus 9 by 2. X plus, now we get x plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 9 by 2. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to plus 9 by 2. Take 1 by 2 on right side. That become minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. And if you take the value of x as minus 9 by 2, x is equal to minus 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 10 by 2 is minus 5. The value of x is 4 and minus 5. If we factorize this equation, x square plus x minus 20, how we can factorize? X plus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 0, and each factor equal to 0. What the value of x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to plus 4. That's we get using this completing the square method. The solution of this quadratic equation is x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 5. Here the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 20 is converted into x plus 1 by 2 square minus 81 by 4 is equal to 0. That is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That we converted into x plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. The given equation is converted into form x plus a the whole square minus b square is equal to 0. That means any quadratic equation can be converted into this form. That concept we using on completing the square method. Consider this question. Find the root of 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0 using completing the square method. In the previous cases, the coefficient of x square is 1. But here the coefficient of, here the variable is y and coefficient of y square is not equal to 1. Here it is 9. So what we will do? First step, transform the constant part to right side. 9y square minus 12 is equal to minus 2. Next step, the both side divide by the coefficient of y square. That is, this equation is divided by 9. Then this equation become y square minus 12 by 9 y equal to minus 2 by 9. Y square minus 12 by 9 y equal to minus 2 by 9. This 12 by 9 we can simplify it. 4 by 3 y equal to minus 2 by 9. Now equation is in the form x square plus bx is equal to minus c. What is next step? Take the square of half value of the coefficient of y. That is, here coefficient of y is 4 by 3. Its half value is 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. That is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Its square is 4 by 9. So that value is add on both side of this equation. Then equation become y square minus 4 by 3 y plus 4 by 9 equal to minus 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Y square minus 4 by 3 y plus 4 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. This value is minus 2 plus 4 is 2, that is equal to 2 by 9. Y square minus 4 by 3 y plus 4 by 9. How we can represent this square form? Y minus 2 by 3 square. Y minus 2 by 3 square is equal to 2 by 9. Okay. Now the left part in the form of a perfect square and take its root. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to plus or minus root 2 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3 square, its root is y minus 2 by 3. And what is root of 2 by 9? Root of 2 by 9 equal to plus or minus root 2 by root 9 is 3. Now we get y minus 2 by 3 is equal to plus or minus root 2 by 3. Then the value of y, what is value of y? Y equal to plus root 2 by 3 plus, take minus 2 by 3 on right side, plus 2 by 3 and y equal to minus root 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. The value of y equal to 2 plus root 2 by 3 and value of y 2 minus root 2 by 3. The solution of the given quadratic equation is 2 plus root 2 by 3 and 2 minus root 2 by 3. Here the quadratic equation 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0, also represented as y minus 2 by 3 square minus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of y square is not equal to 1. So divide the both side by that coefficient and convert the left part into form of a perfect square and find the root. Consider this example also. 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. First rearrange this equation. 5x square minus 4x is equal to 7. And the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. Here coefficient of x square is 5. So what is the next step? Divide the whole equation both side by 5. Then the equation become x square minus 4 by 5 x is equal to 7 by 5. Then the which value we want to add? B by 2 square. What is b by 2 square? 4 by 5. It's half value. 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. 2 by 5. Its square is 4 by 25. That is x square minus 4 by 5 x 4 by 5x plus 4 by 25 is equal to 7 by 5 plus 4 by 25. Then how we can represent the left side, the form of perfect square? X, here minus, so minus, and take its root 2 by 5 square. X minus 2 by 5 square. If we expand this one, we get x square minus 4 by 5 x plus 4 by 25. That is equal to, what is this value? 39 by 25. Now the left side of the quadratic equation is in the form of a perfect square. So take its root. X minus 2 by 5 square. Its root is x minus 2 by 5 equal to 39 by 25. What is its root? Plus or minus root of 39 by 5. X equal to plus 39 by 5 plus 2 by 5 and x is equal to minus 39 root of 39 by 5 plus 2 by 5. The value of x is equal to plus root of 39 plus 2 by 5 and x is equal to minus root of 39 plus 2 by 5. The roots of this quadratic equation 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7 is x plus x is equal to plus root of 39 plus 2 by 5 and minus root of 39 plus 2 by 5. And the given quadratic equation as rewrite in the form of x minus 2 by 5 square minus 39 by 25 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation is converted into form of x plus a the whole square minus b square is equal to 0. What is the method of completing the square? The given quadratic equation, if in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, first transform the constant part to right side, then square of half value of the coefficient of x, add on both sides of the equation. If the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1, then divide the both side by the coefficient of x square and continue go to the next step. Now the equation become in the form x square plus bx plus b by 2 square is equal to minus c plus b by 2 square. The left side is in the form of a perfect square. So we can write it as x plus b by 2 square. Right part is as same. Take its root, we can find the solution or root of given quadratic equation. The advantage of this method is any quadratic equation can be converted into this form. But in the case of factorization, factorization can be applied in some cases only. But this method we can apply on any quadratic equation. That is the completing the square method to solve a quadratic equation. I hope all of you understood this method. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me through mail. Thank you.